Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be putting a roof on the pergola that I built last year. We're going to be closing this in, well, at least a roof anyway, with clear plastic panels. So let's get right to it. This is the pallet of roofing that I'm going to be installing. There's a piece of metal on top, but underneath that's clear plastic panels, same as I did on the main barn roof. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link those right up top. I've got some drip edge to put up. And beside that is another project. We've got barn doors we're going to be mounting, and they'll be mounted on those channels so they'll slide. To get started on this, I'm going to be capping all the ends of all these rafters with some 2x6 to make a sub fascia, and then I'll be putting drip edge above that and strapping the roof the same as I did up on the main roof. And the panels are just like what's installed up there. There, now that I've got everything set up, I just need to pull a couple measurements here and get my sub fascia cut. There, this is the last piece of sub fascia going up, and then we can get onto the roof strapping. Now for the next part, I'm going to rip a bunch of 1x3s to strap the roof, and that'll actually carry the roofing itself. There won't be any roof decking. There, now that I got all the strapping cut, I'm going to bring it all up to the roof and get it all fastened in. I'll cut it right in place, and we'll get the strapping done here pretty quickly, and then the roofing can go on. This strapping is all 2 foot on center, except for the very top, and it's a little bit different up top just because of the metal panels that I'm putting on. Now that we've got all the strapping done, I've got to get this drip edge installed. This drip edge is a nice heavy duty wide drip edge. It should work perfectly. Let's get right to it. Now when I fit this drip edge together, I cut a little notch out so I can slide it over and overlap it so it stays watertight and the water can't run down into the seam. And now we're on to the roofing, fun part. Now the key again to this, same as last time, is getting a good start, making sure everything is nice and square, and then it'll run pretty even off of that. If you got to keep an eye on it, obviously. Just make sure nothing is growing in one direction or another. Make sure it all stays nice and square with the rafters. I'm going to lay this out the same as I did last time in a full stack, mark them 2 foot on center and drill them with a pilot hole so that all my holes are nice and straight and everything lines right up nice. Now when these roof panels go up, they are directional. A lot of people don't realize that there's a flat side and a rounded side. You want to run them all the same direction. The flat side I run to the left, and then the rounded side hooks on top of that. And on the top side, like I may have mentioned before, I ran a 2 foot piece of metal up under the soffit just to protect against snow coming off, because the plastic is not as strong as the metal. And I did a strip of metal down each side, about 10-inch piece of metal, just to protect the outside edges on both sides. And now I'm on to the last piece. This actually went pretty quickly. Everything was nice and square. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and we will see you on the next video.